Okay folks, changing out the rear shocks on the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic, and just a couple things to note. The driver's side is the most difficult, and you'll see in the video here that I had to make a shorty tool to get the nut back behind the shock. And also, just for information here, the passenger side is much more accessible. You can see I've already got that bolt out, and I did use my shorty wrench to get that bolt off. So the passenger side is much easier. So anyway, if you can get past the driver's side, you got it licked. On the passenger side, I didn't even take the wheel well out all the way. I just left one of the screws loose there, or actually intact. I left one intact, and then I just worked the wheel well out of there. And as you can see, this one is blown out pretty good here. It's leaking all over the place. So the bottom bolt is pretty easy to get out. I use my impact and took the bolt off on the other side, as you can see it there. On the top, it's a little more difficult because there's the frame and the bed is in the way here, and in order to get this bolt out, you have to hold the back of you have to hold the nut on the back of the bolt. So another video recommended a crow's foot 21 millimeter wrench. I have this crescent wrench that was a shorty, and I just hacked the end off of it. So I'm going to try to see if I can get that up in there, and we'll see if that'll work. Alright, so I've got the wrench in there. We'll see if I can hold it and get either my other crescent wrench or the impact on there while I'm turning it. I'm not going to be able to hold the camera at the same time, but we'll see if that works. Okay, I just wanted to let you know that worked out. I had to modify the tool a little bit, cut the I guess the piece off of it that sticks out. It was actually sticking out too far, and I couldn't get it up in the behind the bracket there. So cut that piece off, and it worked out. So got my new shock here ready to install. Okay, shock is in. I just have to get that nut up back behind there and hold it with the shorty wrench and tighten it up top and bottom, and she'll be good to go.